Hello friends, welcome to the vocab session. These are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is laudable. Laudable means a person who deserves all praise. In Hindi you can say प्रशंसनीय. Now its sentence is his noble ideas and polite behavior are laudable. Its synonym is commendable. Moving to our next word, which is amalgamate. Friends, amalgamate means to join together to form a group. In Hindi you can say milana. Now we are going to talk about its sentence. Its sentence is they decided to amalgamate two schools. Its synonym is merge. Moving to our next word, which is appease. Friends, appease means to make somebody calmer or less angry by giving them what they want. In Hindi you can say shant karna. Now its sentence, the fruit appeased his hunger. Its synonym is satisfy. The next word is amenity. Friends, amenity means a thing or facility that is useful and makes life more comfortable. In Hindi you can say sukh suvidha. Its sentence is the Taj Hotel offers unique amenity. Its synonym is facility. Moving to our next word, which is debacle. Friends, debacle means a sudden failure. In Hindi you can say haar ya fir asafalta. Now we are going to talk about its sentence. His first performance was a debacle. Its synonym is fiasco. Moving to our next word, decorum. Friends, decorum means polite behavior that is appropriate in a social situation. In Hindi you can say tamiz ya fir sadachar. Its sentence is, I hope you will behave with decorum. Its synonym is etiquette or good manners. The next word is entangled. Friends, entangled means caught in something. In Hindi you can say fasa hua. Now its sentence, the rope was entangled in the bush. Its synonym is trap. The next word is exaggerate. Friends, it is very important word. It means to enlarge or increase beyond the normal. In Hindi you can say बढ़ा चढ़ाकर कहना. Its sentence is don't exaggerate. It wasn't that expensive. Its synonym is overemphasize. The next word is uxorious. It means excessively fond of or submissive to wife. In Hindi you can say joru ka gulam. Now its sentence, my uxorious friend will not stop talking about his wife. Its synonym is henpecked. The next word is bilious. Bilious means unpleasant. In Hindi you can say chidchida. Now its sentence, our bilious neighbor is known for his bad attitude. Its synonym is peevish. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the meaning of appease? A. To join together. B. To make somebody calm. C. A polite behavior. D. The state of being tired. Give me answer of this question in comment box.